Well, the heavy rain that some of us had overnight and to start today, that's now cleared away, but we do have a few showers to watch out for through the rest of today. The low pressure system, that's clearing away towards the southeast, and then actually we end up in a bit of a cold as we start tomorrow, so a quiet picture for most as we go through the day. But then a weather system comes in from the west as we head towards the end of the week, and that's going to bring some heavy rain, particularly to parts of Northern Ireland as we go through Friday. But let's look back at the here and now, and like I say, there are quite a few showers around, especially across Scotland and perhaps northern England too. Here the showers could be a little bit heavy at times. Further south, fewer showers, and they're not looking as intense, but there will be more cloud on offer. Sunny spells across some northern, perhaps eastern parts, but across parts of Wales, central southern England, it is looking pretty grey. Although Devon and Cornwall may see some sunny breaks and perhaps a few sunny breaks across Northern Ireland as well. Where you get the sunshine, not feeling too bad generally, mid, possibly high teens Celsius for most of us. Under the cloud, feeling a bit fresher, and actually around some North Sea coastal parts, some cloud lingering here, and with the breeze coming in from the North Sea, it is going to feel a fair bit fresher as well. More showers to come as we go through the end of the day, but gradually through the evening and overnight, most of those showers are going to die out. And then we do have some cloud filling in from the North Sea, so eastern parts having a pretty cloudy night. Further west though, some clearer skies, and where we get those clear skies, it is going to turn a little chilly. Now most places, even away from the built-up areas, should stay frost-free, but a touch of frost not out of the question across some parts of western Scotland, maybe northwest England, some prone spots may have a little bit of frost first thing tomorrow morning. And do watch out, there could be some pockets of mist and fog around, but further east with the cloud, it is going to be that little bit milder to start. Otherwise, as we go through Thursday then, the cloud in the east could be thick enough for a few spots of rain, particularly around perhaps Aberdeenshire, and even elsewhere a few spots of rain can't be ruled out. But generally it's a dry story and staying dry for most of us as we go through the day. The cloud breaking up a little bit, so a bit more sunshine developing as we go through the afternoon. And again, where you get that sunshine, not feeling too bad, but worth bearing in mind, the cloud will be building from the west later on, and some rain and some blustery winds pushing in because of that system that I mentioned earlier. Like I said, in the sunshine, not feeling too bad. Yet again, temperatures similar-ish to today really, so mid, possibly high teens for some of us, or winds towards that eastern coast, so a fresher feel to things. Now as we go through Friday and into the weekend, we are going to see that rain pushing into western, northwestern parts in particular, particularly Friday, but also Sunday, another system coming into the northwest. All the time towards the east-southeast, less rain arriving here, and actually we're going to see pressure building, so that should settle our weather down, with higher pressure more likely as we go into next week. And with that, our temperatures are rising, a general upward trend in our temperatures, especially towards the south, so it could be pretty warm and generally fine for the London Marathon, so that's something to be aware of, particularly if you are running it. If you want to know more information about what's to come as we look further ahead, do check out our 10-day trend, which Honor will be bringing to you later on this afternoon. Bye-bye.